Let's see how to delete your Google search history. First, open your web browser. Then sign in to your Google account. If you are already signed in, you can see a profile icon on the top right corner. Click there. Now, click on Manage your Google account. Now on the top left corner, you can see some options. Click on Data and Privacy. Now scroll down. Here you can see on the history setting, Web and App Activity. Click there. Now scroll down to the bottom. On the bottom, you can see Manage all Web and App Activity. Click there. Now you can delete your search history. On the top left corner, here are some options. Delete activity by, other activity, activity control. Click delete activity by. From there you can delete your search history by time, like last hour, last day, all time, or custom range. If you want to set custom range, click on custom range and set the after and before date. Now I am deleting the last hour search history. Click last hour. Now you can see it is deleting now. Here a pop-up will show that deletion has completed. Click got it. That's all.